The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to introduce two major upgrades that could significantly enhance your mobile experience. These improvements are focused on gaming performance and system efficiency, making it an exciting device for users seeking smoother operation and more power in their mobile gaming. First, let's talk about the leaked launch date. According to South Korean media, the Galaxy S25 series is expected to be revealed at Samsung's Unpacked event on January 22, 2025, in San Francisco. This is slightly later than the launch of the Galaxy S24, which debuted on January 17, 2024. The S25 series will consist of the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra models, with rumors suggesting that a slimmer version, the S25 Slim, may also make an appearance. However, it's likely that this variant won't be available until the second quarter of 2025. Additionally, Samsung is expected to introduce its highly anticipated XR glasses, a move into the extended reality (XR) space, which could be another exciting aspect of the upcoming event. One of the most thrilling features of the S25 Ultra, especially for gamers, is a newly leaked gaming mode in One UI designed to significantly boost gaming performance. This feature is focused on frame interpolation technology, which can elevate frame rates for a smoother gaming experience. By generating additional frames, the technology allows visuals to jump from 60 Hz to 120 Hz. What does this mean for mobile gaming? Games that are typically limited to 60 FPS will now be able to run at 120 FPS on the S25, resulting in smoother and more fluid gameplay. Another exciting system upgrade on the S25 is Samsung's implementation of the AB system partition feature, also known as seamless firmware updates. This technology will make software updates faster and more efficient by allowing the phone to run updates in the background without interrupting the user experience. The phone has two partitions, A and B. While one is active, the other updates silently in the background. This eliminates the frustration of waiting during system updates and ensures the entire process is smooth. Even though this technology requires hardware-level support, Samsung has already introduced it in devices like the Galaxy A55 earlier this year, and it will be a key feature in the S25 series. The S25 will also come with 12 GB of RAM as confirmed by a recent Geekbench listing. Additionally, there has been much speculation regarding the processor powering the S25 lineup. Samsung has clarified that the S25 series will feature Snapdragon chips globally, despite earlier Geekbench listings showing an Exynos-powered model. Samsung had been testing the Exynos 2500 internally but has faced significant production issues, with only 20% of the chips meeting quality standards. As a result, the Exynos 2500 won't be ready in time for the S25 series, confirming the global use of Snapdragon chips. Interestingly, there are rumors that Samsung is considering outsourcing Exynos chip production to TSMC in the future, which could lead to better yields and performance.